Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to the Youper AI application on your mobile device. First of all, make sure that you download the Youper AI app on your smartphone and then launch the app open. From the first welcome screen, go ahead and choose whether you already have an account or you'd like to get started with the account. For existing account, tap on I already have an account. On the next page, choose one of these login options. Select the same login option that you previously used for creating an account for Youper. I'm going to choose sign in with email. Now write down your email and password correct in the login text boxes. After typing down your credentials, tap on login. And there you have successfully logged in to your Youper account. That is how you can easily sign in on Youper in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.